everyone, thank you for watching. Today I'm going to talk about the secrets of goals setting. Have you ever wondered how are you going to achieve your goals? Have you ever wondered or doubted yourself in achieving your goals? Have you ever asked yourself, how can I set goals and achieve them? If you like today's topic, I hope you stay on. And I really hope you watch until the end of my video because I have prepared a PowerPoint slides for my presentation today. At the end of my presentation, I'm going to show you a special website that you can explore, okay? So stay on.
So hi, I would like you to pay attention to my slides, especially the picture and the wording. So let's start. You see a picture of tree. The tree symbolizes a human. So if you look at the goal setting, cause and effect, what are the cause and what are the effect? Here, you see we have to put effort, right, into growing a tree. For real life, you need water, the tree needs water, carbon dioxide, depending on day or night, right? Sunshine, nutrition. For human, in order to grow or to become a champion, we need to be fit physically, mentally, and emotionally. These are just a simple example. They are more than that, right? So just to speed up the presentation so that you have a quick understanding, I would like you to remember a tree is like a human. So what are the causes? Let's take a look. The result. Cause and effect, like if you work hard, you put effort, then you have the result. For the result, in sports, if you like to be a national champion, that's the end result. Sort of like a short-term or long-term end result, depending what are the goals. If your ultimate goal is Olympic champion, then national champion could be your medium-term goal. Hope you understand that. $10,000 per year, for example, you would like to earn extra income, extra $10,000 per year. Or maybe you want to improve your mood so that you always feel happy. That's the end result, so cause and effect. So you want to feel more happy all the time, then you have to train yourself to be emotionally fit. Okay, there's a cause and effect here. So what are the SMART here? S-M-A-R-T. What do I mean by that? That's the acronym for achieving your goal. S stands for like specifics. You must be specific related to your goal. M stands for measurable. You can measure it, whether it is short-term or long-term or daily goal. Then A is achievable. You can achieve it, you can see it, you dream about it, you can feel about it. Achievable means that you can dream about it, feel about it. Okay, you still can achieve it. It doesn't mean you cannot achieve it. One thing that you may not be able to achieve it is, for example, flying, right? Or jumping to the moon, or having your own moon, or having your own I don't know how to say that. Sorry, person. Or having your own moon or orbits, or Star Trek, for example. Then the rest is R, stand for relatable or relevant to your goal. If you want to become a national champion, your goal has to be relevant to becoming a national champion, right? You don't want to have a goal that is not relevant or relatable to national champion for your specific sports. Now, the last T here, T stands for timely. Timely. So there's a specific timeline that you can achieve them. You want to achieve them. That's what you set goals. So let's go to the next slide. Now, I want you to pay attention to the picture and symbolize it as how we grow. Human growth, right? First one, let's say you want to plant a seed. Let's say you want to plant a certain long-term goal. So by next year, or by the end of this year, or starting today, you want to start moving. You want to start planning. By first setting your goal, write them down. Remember that. So, for example, 2021, next year, you have one branch. That's your goal. You want to grow one branch. And then the following year, you want to grow 3 branches, right? And then 5 branches in 2 years. And then in 3 years, in 4 years, you want to grow 10 branches. Let's say you're planting a tree. That is a step-by-step way of setting goals. Okay, I'm not saying that you are a tree, but I want you to symbolize a tree is like a human. So if you want to grow to become a millionaire, for example, you still need to grow yourself step by step. It's not easy to become a millionaire within a second, right? Within a day, maybe you're winning a lottery. Otherwise, it takes step by step. It takes perseverance. It takes a positive mindset. It takes a lot of effort and many factors to achieve your goal. So you can see here, small successes, achievable. Now let's go to the next one. What are the factors that support growth? Imagine we are a tree. Yes, there are so many branches, right? So you have this green color branch, you have the red color branch, blue, orange, and purple, and all these become a tree. So what are the factors that support the tree? Well, I already said that in terms of a real tree, you need water, sunshine, carbon dioxide, or depending what day of the time, and then nutrient. So imagine we are like a tree. We need social support system. For example, we need good coach or coaches. We need supportive parents. We need supportive teachers, for example, right? We need a supportive government system. For example, certain government, they really pump in a lot of money to help athletes to achieve their goals. Not every countries have that kind of system. So that helps for sure. The next one is continuous learning. It is important to help ourselves by improve ourselves. How to do that? Well, reading, of course, is important. If you do not like to read, at least you watch YouTube channel, like maybe watch my YouTube channel or any other YouTube channel that can help you grow. You can listen to podcast, right? Listen to stories, people who make mistakes and learn from their mistakes and learn from their successes. It's important to grow, or attend workshop, attend seminar, or take courses, take online courses, for example. Then the next one is funding. You need funding. You need financial resources. I'm very thankful that I have my uncle who trained me when I was a kid, and I have not paid him a cent. He actually trained me for free. I'm really, really grateful for that, right? So, so you need money to train. You need money to attend competition. You need money to buy taekwondo uniform. You need money to buy protective gear, right? In taekwondo, for example. But even in business, you need money to invest your money to for equipment, computer software. to attend courses, to buy a certain program. So that's funding. So what are the other two factors? This is just a brief message. There are many factors for sure, but these are the important factors that we should not be avoid. The next one is mental. We need to have a positive mental attitude, positive thinking, positive image, visualization. So all these are mental skill we need to have in order to achieve our goals. Otherwise, we'll procrastinate. Otherwise, we'll just let go easily. We give up so easily. So we need that push, mental edge to achieve goals, bigger goals, right? Even simple goals, sometimes we really need the push. The next one is physical. If you want to be a champion, you need to be physically fit. Even though you do not want to be a champion, you still need to be physically healthy. You need to be healthy to be able to work long hours, to be able to enjoy life, right? To be able to walk, to be able to do daily tasks. So the next one, let's see, growth and division. So in order to achieve these so many goals, we need to pay attention to specific goal. If the tree consists of so many small branches, we need to pay attention to each branch and build the strength for each of the branches. So for example, if you want to become a world champion, you need to improve your specific kicks. Okay, that's considered one branch. You need to improve your specific upper body strength in order to punch hard or score points. That is another branch. So we need to improve our body language. When you walk into the arena, you don't walk like that. You don't walk small. You stand tall, shoulder down, chest up, and you walk confidently. That is another branch of the overall tree. Yeah, I hope you get my my point. You like it? Remember to click likes if you like it and share to your friends. So I already mentioned developing one element takes time and courage. So developing one element or one branch takes time and courage. We need to nurture them one by one with patience, right? With hard work and so on. So how to really write down your goal, right? You should always write them down in detail. So I break it down into yearly goal, monthly goal. You look at the chart here, weekly goal, daily goal. So it's like a reverse engineering, right? You have your daily goal and then you have the end goal. Always have the end goal in mind at the end. What do you want to achieve? Not like you work hard, but you need to work hard with a specific end goal. That works better. Otherwise, you keep working and your goal is not that clear and you say, oh, maybe I want to achieve that. Maybe I want to do this. It's actually not really clear. It is important to set a specific end goal. Then you work towards that goal. It's like a reverse engineering. So I put at the end goal, for example, you want to become a national champion, then you should have a monthly goal. Before you have the monthly goal, you should have the weekly goal. Before you have the weekly goal, you should have the daily goals, right? If you want to become a national champion, what should you do now? Today, as of today, what do you want to do? As of today, I need to train, right? I need to go to the gym. I need to train with my coach, or I need to make sure I eat well. I need to make sure that I sleep well. So I break it down into daily goal, which means like what time do I need to wake up? What time do I need to go to bed? What time should I eat? Should I have a proper schedule for eating? What should I eat? Okay, do I know how to eat well? And the next one is like what to train, how to train. Cardiovascular fitness or cardiovascular endurance. How do I train to improve my reaction? How do I train to improve my flexibility? How do I train to improve my coordination? How do I train to improve my power? So all these help you to achieve your weekly goal, right? And then you go back the other way. You have your daily goal that will help you to achieve your weekly goal, your monthly goal, your yearly goal, and all the way to your ultimate goal. So yeah, you must know when to train, how to train, where to train is important. Sometimes you may not find a proper dojang or proper gym to train, so you may want to set up a home gym, for example. Yeah, these are all important information for you to consider if you want to set specific goal. As I said before, self-learning is important and journaling is important. Write down your goal on a book or on a journal. Okay, even you want to write a piece of paper, make sure you have a space to put to collect all your paper or papers. Now nowadays you have computer, maybe write down something on your computer, Google Drive, Word document, and Google Sheet. So yeah, think about that. It's always to write down, because when you write down, you actually tell yourself mentally, transfer into your hand physically. You have to write it down. That improves your learning. This is part of the principle of learning, right? You hear it, you do it, okay? And you see it with the journaling, you can see it, and that helps with your learning. That reminds you better. So I hope you like the presentation. So we'll come to this page called futuresme.org. For this website, you're going to write a letter to your future you, to the future for you 1 year from now, okay, or 3 years from now, or 5 years from now. So it's a reminder for your goals. Let's go to the website. Let's look at the detail. On this side, you will see I already started my letter to myself. I put down, Dear Master Sarah Chung, I would like to achieve the following goals, right? The first one, I said, sleep at 10 p.m. every day, 10 at night every day. I tend to sleep late, but I need to push myself to sleep early, so I set my goal. And sleep at least 7 to 8 hours a day. I tend to sleep less. I don't know. I don't need alarm clock. I just wake up naturally. And I normally sleep for 6 hours and I wake up by myself without any alarm clock. But I think I need to sleep more. Then let's do the goal I set to lose weight, right? I said to lose weight for about 5 pounds, etc. Then once you finish, or to lose weight, I have to wrong typing mistake. So to lose weight. Then after that, you're gonna click your when is the delivery? 1 year from today, 3 years or 5 years. Then you enter your email address and then click send. That email will reach you according to the date you set. 1 year from now, what date? Let's say today is November. No, today is December the 5th. So 1 year from now will be maybe December the 5th or the 4th in 2021. That's all for today. Hope you enjoy it. Hope you like it. So remember to write a letter to your future you.
If you'd like to see my other content, remember to check the video around here or here, and always have confidence within you because you're special. Bye now. Take care.